Hi guys, I wanted to pop on really quick and share our Labor Day sale. We have an end of summer sale. Use code HELLOFALL for 10% off your order. The code is not valid on subscriptions, but it is valid on anything that's on sale. And right now I have this great bundle. It's all summer products. This bundle is a hot deal at $30. Grab it while supplies last. Plus you get that 10% off the price. So super awesome deal. You're getting sailing 6x6 paper pad, beautiful prints in here. The tropical hippos and poolside. You're also getting the coordinating ephemera for each paper pad. So we've got the sailing ephemera, very pretty, more on your nautical side with images of like boats and life preservers. There's some beach bags in here. Really, really cute. The sale runs from today through the 1st. So write that coupon code down, Hello Fall. You'll be able to use that on release day when we release our new products. If you are interested in any of the single items that we will be releasing, it's not valid on the subscriptions, but if you wanted to pick up any extras, you could use that coupon code. This ephemera here is more of like a pool. So we've got our pool, we've got our beach, and we've got our sailing nautical type summer images. So this bundle's got you covered for all things summer. These will not be restocked, so once these collections are sold out, they will be sold out for good. And your little hippos are going tropical to the beach. So you got some tropical leaves, you got a little hut, and you got your hippos striking a pose. Really cute. So everything's in different sizes for you. Lots of tropical leaves. There's some popsicles in here that the hippo is holding. So there's some single ones in there as well. Really cute. I'll have the link down below to this bundle. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.